White precipitate, barium chloride. We have done no. So barium chloride, with barium chloride, whenever you do, that's a confirmation test for sulfate. So that's why I am taking one more sulfate salt. One more sulfate salt I am taking. So this is also we can take as double displacement example. So copper sulfate I have taken. So this is a test in salt analysis, sulfate test. So I have taken, because when you are doing, no, you don't know what is this salt. Presently we are discussing like this, but when you are doing in 12th class salt analysis, you have to identify which anion is present. So sulfate is present, or chloride is present, nitrate is present. Likewise, you have to identify. So this is a test for sulfate. So once you identify sulfate, then you have to confirm. So first test is, this one is with BaCl we are doing now, and this is copper sulfate solution I have taken, solution again. Okay, so to this what we have to add? BaCl2 solution. I told you BaCl2 solution is BaCl2 is a barium chloride. BaCl2 is barium chloride. Barium chloride solution is the confirmation test for sulfate with barium chloride. Again, what you have to get? Some sulfate you get, no? So that sulfate will be a white precipitate, that you have to remember. When you get white precipitate, then it is said to be barium sulfate. Okay, so I have prepared, what are these two now? This is copper sulfate solution. Barium chloride is the reagent for identifying sulfate. Okay, so I have taken some other sulfate. Before we have taken sodium sulfate. Now I have taken copper sulfate. And to this BaCl2 is added. Both are in solution form. You got? White precipitate you got? Precipitate will be in, of course, because copper is in blue color, somewhat bluish here observing. But the precipitate is white in color. So whenever you are getting this white precipitate, it is a proof for sulfate ion, confirmation test for sulfate. Is it clear? So sulfate you could identify. You are going to do this in 12th class. But presently, whatever we have done, all the three, or which reactions? Double displacements and precipitation reactions. Double displacements or precipitation. So in this, what I have taken? Can you tell me? Potassium iodide and lead nitrate. What is the precipitate you got? Lead nitrate. Okay. In this, what I have taken? Sodium sulfate. What I have got? Sulfate. And here, copper sulfate and barium chloride. What I got? Same barium sulfate. In both of them, barium sulfate, you know that white precipitate. So this one is clear. So double displacement clear for all of you. And even these are all precipitation. You could remember that. So clear for all of you.